Hello friends, in this video I'm going to tell you how to install Visual Studios on Windows 10. So without wasting time, let's start the video. So first of all, open the Chrome browser and type Visual Studios code. And now you can see the first link. Just click on this and now you can click on download for Windows here. So you can see Visual Studio can be used for creating Python, C++, C++, and Java, and many more, C hash as well. So you can use the Visual Studio for various language. So let's download this editor. So you can see it is of 79 MB. So once it is download, you can see here. Now you have to open this XCE file. Just click on it. So now you have to accept this and click on next, and now again click on next, and again click on next. So it is asking you to add path. So you can check this option and you can click on this create a desktop icon, because I am really lazy and can't find a search for this software, so I thought I should create a desktop icon on. So let's click on next. Now click on install. So it will start extracting all the necessary files. You can see it can be used for JavaScript, Python, Java, C++, data science. So here is all the details. So it is now installed. Let's launch this application. Now guys, we have finally opened this, and now you can use any theme that you want to use. So let's click on this, and yeah, there are many options here. Let's run guys first PHP code here. So let's do that. So first of all, go to the C drive where actually the XAMPP is installed, and you have to go to the htdocs folder. So I'm going to select this folder. Yeah, so let's trust the author, agree on this, and let's open the file. So this is my simple code here. This is a simple code, PHP code, and I'm going to run this code. So how can we do that? So it is saying that cannot validate since the PHP installation could not be found. We'll do that. इसमें अभी guys we cannot run a PHP code, so we have to use XAMPP separately here. So first of all we can edit only here. We cannot run here PHP code. So we have to use. First of all we have to start the server, Apache server, to run PHP code from here. Fine, and once you open, now you can start the Apache server here. Go to the browser and see, go to the localhost / and type the file name, which is welcome.php. And as you can see, this is our output of our code. So let's guys run some other code as well. Let's see how can we run that. So if you want to run PHP or other programming languages, so you can see you can install the Python from here as well. So let's install this. There are many popular programs are here, so we can use the we can install the PHP debug here as well to validate our code. So the most popular one is Python, so we are installing it right now. So to use Python on VS Code, guys, there are some prerequisites. First is you need to install VS Code. We have done so far. Now we have to install the Python extension from the VS Code. So you have already done. We are installing it right now. So once it is installed, and after that we have to download the Python 3. If you didn't install the Python, you can do that, or I have already created a video, made a video on that, how to download Python 3 on Windows. So you can do that. Once you download the Python and verify that you have installed the Python on your system, now you can start creating Python's code on VS Code. So how can we do that? First of all, we need to create a directory called, suppose we have created here, we can create a directory here, Python programs. Fine. Let's do that. Python examples, or you can write anything. Let's allow this because it is installing. So guys, once you created a Python example, now let's open this and create a new file here. So first let's write first .py. So py is the extension for the Python program, and let's open this file from VS Code. So go to here and click on, not new file, new folder. not in this. So let's open that folder where we have created. So guys, go to the file and open folder and go to htdocs. Sorry, we have to go to desktop because the Python folder is here. Now select this folder. So when we select this folder, our file will be here, and this file should be first.py. So let me change the file name here. Should not be plain text, it should be in Python. Yeah, let's save this. Now we have created our file. Now we are going to run this file. First of all, let's write some simple code here. Let's just print the hello world. So write print and hello world. Fine, and let's run this code. Let's save it. Since it is a very straightforward language, so we don't need to use the semicolon and anything else. So just let's try to run this code. So to run this, you can see there is an insect icon which is a run and debug. So let's click on run and debug, and as you can see, it is printing hello world. You can print many more things. So basically it has its own terminal where your code output will be shown. So you don't need to run separately, just you need to click on this run and debug and it will run automatically like we do in the Eclipse. So yeah, that's how you can run your first PHP or Python code on Visual Studio. So I hope you like it. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.